In this video, we're going to continue with our example of the application of various inventory valuation methods in a perpetual inventory system. In the first video, we looked at FIFO. In this, we're going to be looking at LIFO, last in, first out. In LIFO, there's going to be no difference between the valuation for our beginning inventory or for the valuation after our first purchase. So we have our beginning inventory layer, we add in our purchase of August 8th, and under both FIFO and LIFO, prior to any sales transaction occurring, after the purchase of August 8th, we have an inventory balance of $67,200. The difference will come with our sales, when we have a sale of some of our merchandise. Under the LIFO method, we're going to assume that all 8,000 units that were sold on August 14th came from the last layer of inventory. That is, all 8,000 came out of the 10,000 unit purchase we made on August 8th. So the August 8th only will be used for the valuation. All 8,000 units will be valued using that purchase. So the cost of goods sold will be calculated at $44,000. The oldest items will remain in inventory. So our beginning inventory of 2,000 units will remain after the sale, along with the balance of the August 8th. So we purchased 10,000 units, we sold 8,000, so we have 2,000 units remaining. Using the valuation for each layer, it gives us an ending inventory of 23,200. So as you can see, we have a different cost of goods sold depending on our inventory valuation method, and that will also produce different ending inventories. For the purchase on the 18th, we'll be adding another layer, so we're going to have 3 layers in our ending inventory after the purchase of August 18th. We're going to have our 2 layers that we began with, plus the purchase of 6,000 units at $5 each, and that is going to be for a total value of our inventory after the August 18th purchase of $53,200. For our sale on the 25th, again, we're going to use the last layer of inventory. We sold 7,000 units. Our last layer has 6,000. So we'll be using valuations from the purchase of August 18th and the layer before that, the 8th. We're going to use all 6,000 units from the 18th, and the difference between the unsold 7,000 and the August 18th purchase of 6 means we'll be going into the August 8th purchase for 1,000 units. Value per unit is $5 and $5.50 respectively. So cost of goods sold for the sale on the 25th is going to be $35,200. So in our ending inventory, our beginning inventory remains, plus items from the August 8th purchase. So we have 2,000 units from our beginning inventory, From our sale, we have 1,000 units from the 8th. We began with 2,000, which means we have 1,000 remaining at $5.50. And our ending inventory valuation will be $17,700. That will be the ending inventory for the period. Cost of goods sold from the 2 sales transactions will give us a total in cost of goods sold of $79,500.